Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's reading we will see what blessings are coming to you in the next 6 months. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate for all of you, but if you want to consult with a personal advisor which can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my new discovery, which is also the sponsor of this video, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance that is available and accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way, whether it's through a phone call, video chat, or text chat. What I like about them is they are committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And on top of that, they back their service with a no-risk guarantee and donate 1% of the purchases to charity at no extra cost. I recently had a reading with an advisor from Psychic Source. Her name is Venus, and I asked her a lot of questions about my career, my kids, and even my love life. And I'm so impressed with her accuracy that really helped me with a major decision that I had to make. And I also gained clarity with my future plans. Now, here's the good news. I'm excited to share that Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. This can help you maximize your time and make the best connection. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen or click the link on my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Scorpio, let's see what are the blessings coming in sa inyo in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Let's see, blessings coming in. You have the owl. Okay, so this is blessing of knowledge, wisdom. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, may mga pagkakataon or opportunities kayo na makapag-aral or makapagdagdag ng kaalaman that will improve your life, your career, your business, or even your relationship. The owl is also about seeing things clearly. So, maaring meron ka ng clarity about your situation. This is clear knowing. Some of you maaring merong good news na marireceive in the next 6 months. Let's see in what area of life yan. Second house, which is your finances, your possessions, material things, material possessions, yung sources of income mo. Oo. So may good news in the next 6 months. And then you also have the butterfly, which is about transformation, metamorphosis, pagbabago. Okay, so this can also mean like ending a chapter in your life, no? May nagtatapos na chapter sa buhay mo to start anew. So example, parang yung energy na gagraduate ka sa college or any graduation, and then after graduation you will start a new chapter in your life na may bago ka na namang i-explore or mga experiences. And at the same time, yung graduation na yon na mararanasan mo is also an achievement. 'Di ba? So, kumbaga, meron kang ma-achieve na goal, and at the same time, it will also open a new opportunity para sa'yo. Okay? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng butterfly. Pansin nyo yung mga animals dito ay may pakpak. So I think you are going to spread your wings. You also have the sun. Yan, liwanag. This is also clarity. This is strength. So ang blessing sa inyo in the next 6 months is to have a healthy body, malakas na pangangatawan. This is also vitality, energy, life force. So I think yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong matututunan. Ma-acquire na knowledge in the next 6 months na babago sa buhay nyo. And itong pagbabago na to will bring happiness, will bring contentment, na parang hindi mo akalain na mangyayari yun sa'yo in the next 6 months. Okay, what else? What are the blessings for Scorpio in the next 6 months? You have the King of Wands. You are going to be motivated. Yung talagang walang makakapigil sa'yo sa mga gusto mong gawin, sa mga gusto mong i-explore. You're also going to receive honor and recognition sa ginagawa mo, sa business mo, sa career mo, whatever you are pursuing. A lot of wisdom. So, I think you have this source of inspiration in the next 6 months na yun talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng sense of direction na ito yung gusto kong mangyari. Parang yun yung magiging guide mo. Oh, you have the King and the Queen of Wands. Oh my God. So, maaring merong person sa buhay mo na katuwang mo, no? Or someone who is supporting you, who is cheering for you, na kumbaga someone na partner mo sa buhay. This can be a romantic partner, business partner, or sa family na supportive sa mga ginagawa mo. Some of you will also have this leadership qualities or leadership role in the next 6 months na kung saan mas magagamit nyo yung inyong management skills. You also have the Hermit, which is another energy for wisdom. So, I think nag-mature kayo, no? Nag-mature in a good way na marami na kayong kaalaman. And for some of you, maaring kayo ay magiging mentor or coach or trainer or someone na nagsishare ng knowledge at experiences sa iba para makatulong rin or mag-guide sa iba. You also have the Ten of Swords. This is ending, closure. Okay. So, in the next 6 months, merong finally, magkakaroon na ng closure. Ang isang situation sa buhay mo na parang nakabitin lang in the past. This can be closure sa relationship. This can also mean closure sa, it can be romantic relationship or sa friendship. Or yung finally masasabi mo sa sarili mo na, okay, tapos na ako, I'm done with it. It's over, it's done. Ganon. So, magkakaroon ng finality. So, yung iba, let's say, meron kayong annulment. So, may finality na yung annulment kasi yun yung gusto mo na matapos na. 'Di ba? So, it's like telling you na tapos na yung paghihirap. In the next 6 months, you will experience yung change, yung transformation na yan. At once matapos na yung challenge na yan, babalik na yung dati mong sigla. Okay? Babalik na yung dati mong energy, yung energy force na talagang nag-i-inspire sa'yo. Let's see what else. Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Yes. So, in the next 6 months, magiging malakas yung instinct, yung intuition mo. Alam nyo, Scorpio, pay attention sa mga owl kasi 2 beses na yung owl lumabas sa inyo. So, it's like telling you na alam mo yung sagot sa tanong mo, alam mo yung mga dapat mong gawin. At kung hindi man, meron kang responsibility sa sarili mo na aralin, okay, intindihin yung mga dapat mong gawin para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. O, diba? Ready yourself for a rebirth, and that is the butterfly metamorphosis bilang isang caterpillar, tapos napunta sa cocoon, naging cocoon, and then naging butterfly. So, that kind of transformation. The connection to the divine guidance is within you. Yes. You are divinely guided, Scorpio. Ano man yung mga bagay na dapat yung i-pursue, you will know. You will know what you need to focus on. You will know what you need to work on. And I think mas magkakaroon ka ng malalim na connection sa sarili mo, sa higher self mo, sa spirit guides mo. If you're someone who is very spiritual, it's like you know that you are guided by your ancestors, by your angels, if naniniwala ka sa angels. So, this is This change is something spiritual for you na maaring yung mga taong nakakakilala sa sayo ngayon, when they see you after 6 months, in the next 6 months, makikita nila na, uy, ang laki ng naging pagbabago mo and it's for the better. Focus. If you focus on what you don't want, there's a good chance you might get it. Focus on what you want instead. Yes. So, kung saan mo nilalagay yung attention mo, yun yung mamamanifest sa buhay mo. So, might as well focus on the good things, on the positive side, para yun yung mamanifest mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.